Okay, this is the washer after I had done colors on heavy mode and the water didn't drain out of it. So then I did a drain and spin. It also didn't drain or spin. So then I did a speed wash and it's still stuck like this. So we're gonna try putting it back to drain and spin. So I don't know if you can hear the noise, but it sounds like the motor is trying to do something, but it just sits here. And now it finally goes. So about, I don't know, a third of the time it'll finally go. About 2/3 of the time it just stops at that point and gets stuck and won't do anything else.